Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to show you what's inside the Satyanarayan Pooja Samagri box. This box contains all the essential items needed to perform Satyanarayan Puja, a sacred Hindu ritual. Let's take a closer look. In this Satyanarayan Pooja Samagri box, you will get all the Puja Samagri at one place. वो भी बिना किसी सामान इकट्ठा करने की झंझट से. The box contains a variety of items. Each item in the box has a specific purpose and significance in Satyanarayan Puja ritual. First, you will get one piece of kalava and some paper bowl to keep the samagri out of the packet, one clay diya to burn deepak, one bottle of honey, one bottle of itra, one matchbox, one red sacred cloth for asan, and also you will get panchmeva, 5 colors of rangoli, havan samagri which smells heavenly, 2 pieces of ghee diya batti, long, elaichi, atta, Ashtagandh Chandan and Roli, Kapoor for Aarti and Havan, 2 pieces of Haldi Gaat, sugar, 10 pieces of Sapari, Akshat, Jwar, 2 pieces of janev, kale til and samidha for havan. And you will get all these puja samagri in 399 rupees with eco-friendly packaging. Thank you for watching. We'll hope this video has helped you understand what's inside the Satyanarayan Puja Samagri box and how to use each item. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below.